And for Aya too, because I think Aya wants to switch over. Give me just a second. You know, it's in my Instagram stories if you want to look it up there. But I should have that handy. Yeah, it's right here. There it is. Okay, I'm going to drop it in the Instagram chat, guys. Okay, it's in the Instagram chat. If you guys want to switch over to YouTube. All right, so we're ready to go on to code. Last call for initial questions. You can always ask questions at the end, guys, right? But I don't want to charge forward if there's something out there. All right. So the framework we're going to follow is the same as before. If this is your first time joining, I'm going to go over it, but this is the same framework we've been following, right? My way to pay my respects to the authors and build upon their work, right? Because we're not copying their work. I'm trying to build upon their work. Is to do this via AI, right? So we're going to be level 2 data scientists and thinking about this in how we can go about using AI and not start from a blank screen. Because that's going to be the future of data science and we're preparing now for it, right? So we are going to be code editors, not code writers. We're going to be using ChatGPT. And we're always going to make sure that we have some result that we're optimizing for, right? You can't be a data scientist. You can't measure results unless you have something to measure against, right? So we want to be cognizant of those metrics that we are putting ourselves up against. Okay. So what are we going to do?